that you're good in dancing, okay? We're going to choose 10 kids who are good in dancing. So you need to show us your ability to dance, okay? So kids, we're going to choose, ayan, ito na. So teacher, mga teacher, asan na yun? Ma'am, pili tayo ha, kasama ako. So pagalingan tayong sumayaw ha. Aso na po yung place natin. Ako, nagulo na po. Nagulo na. Ingat po. Ganyan lang po ha, para medyo maluwag po tayo ha. Ayan, okay. Ready na? Ito na ha. Galingan nyo. Okay, huwag mo siya kawasan kasi sasayaw lang. Walang hawak, walang hawak, walang hawak. Okay. Ayan, magod ka na. Dito na. Ayan. Okay, ready? Dito ka na, dito ka na, dito na. Ayan. Ready kids ha? Okay, ready. Let's dance ha. Tapos we're going to choose 10 kids. Here we go. Let's dance! Palakpakan naman natin yung mga bata natin. Go!
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.